The one-year project scheme on studies for promotion and strengthening of black pottery at Tirshang and Larnai village, West Jaintia Hills District, Meghalaya, funded by Department of Commerce and Industries DCI Shillong and implementing by Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization MGIRI Wardha, Maharashtra, and R&D Institute under the Ministry of MSME, Government of India, concluded yesterday. A formal closing ceremony for the project was held at Larnai Community Hall, attended by ML Wanshong, Joint Director DCI Shillong Dr. K. Venkata Rao, Deputy Director MGIRI, artisans among others. During the concluding program, Dr. K. Venkata Rao expressed his best wishes to the artisans and emphasized the importance of maintaining the skills and experiences they gained during the year-long training.